So here's one thing. If you're going to be successful, then learn to spend time with other people who are better than you in areas that you are most lacking. Hey there, I'm Dr. Del Millers, and this is Energize Your Life After 50. You see, the goal of this podcast is to help you answer one simple question, and that is, how do you want to live the next chapter in your life? Do you want to keep it as it is, or do you want more? Do you want to be better, fitter, stronger, healthier without meds, more confidence, more sex appeal? Do you want to get your mojo back? Maybe you want to be the you you've always thought you could be. So each week we'll look at simple ways to intentionally create your next chapter, prioritizing your health, your physicality, your emotional and spiritual well-being, as well as looking and feeling your best. Are you up for the challenge? Then let's get moving. All right, this is Dr. Del Millers here with personalfitness.com. Hope you're doing great. Hey guys, it is already the end of October. I'm really pushing it now. It's the end of February. Can you believe it? 2 months out of the year have already come and gone. How are those goals going? How you doing? Are you staying on track? Are you focused? Are you getting things done? Are you reaching your goals? If you're not, then hey, let's focus on some things that you could be doing. If you are, let's also focus on how to take it to the next level. Okay, so today I want to talk to you about some success principles, and more specifically, I wrote an ebook years ago for my clients called 10 Success Principles for Fitness and Life. And today I'm going to share with you the first of those success principles. The first of which being surround yourself with winners. Very important if you're going to be successful at anything. If you're going to be successful at fitness, if you're going to be successful in business, if you're going to be successful learning a new sport or a new hobby, you want to surround yourself with winners. You know, when I was learning tennis, I surround myself with good tennis players, people who are better than me. I played with people who are better than me. I adopted mentors, people who are better than me. I picked their brains. I learned from them. So that's what it means to surround yourself with winners, okay? So one of the key qualities of successful people is that they avoid negative individuals. Instead, they choose to spend the majority of their time surrounded by those who have already achieved what they seek to achieve. So if your goal is to, let's say, weigh 135 pounds through healthy eating and active living, then seek out others who already live a healthy lifestyle and who have achieved their weight loss goals. You know, hanging around with people who just talk about getting in shape but who never take persistent action will increase your chances of never reaching your goal, okay? So today let's talk about how to go about the process of surrounding yourself with winners. But before we get started, I'd like to take this time to remind you of a few important resources that are available to you. Number one, my free masterclass. You know, the top 3 things you must do to lose weight and keep it off. Okay, if you're struggling with weight as an issue, then you must check out that masterclass. There's also my webinar, Get Your Sexy Back. If you're ready to truly transform your body and your life, then please sign up for the webinar. It's free. You also have access to a free health strategy call with me when you're ready to move forward in a powerful way. I also have a vault of coaching videos at my website, personalfitness.com. You can find all of that, sign up for all of that at my website, personalfitness.com. And lastly, please consider subscribing to this podcast. You know, there is a link in the episode notes. And thank you. Thank you for being here. I really do appreciate you. All right, guys, Dr. Del here. So again, we're talking about how to surround yourself with winners. The fact that if you want to be successful at anything. You have to avoid negative people and find people to be in your corner who have already achieved what you are trying to achieve. I do this all the time. In tennis, when I was coming up learning tennis, I would always surround myself with people who are better than me. I always played with people who are better than me, and I pick up pointers that way. No point hanging out with the losers. Hang out with the winners, because you're more likely to become one of them. They're going to rub off on you. So hang out with people who are going in the same direction you are going, who have already achieved much of what you are trying to achieve. People who are stronger in areas where you are lacking. So if you're lacking in the area of taking care of yourself and living a healthy lifestyle, then surround yourself with people who live a healthy lifestyle, who it's easy for them, because then it becomes easier for you, right? You see how easy it is for them. And one of the key part of surrounding yourself with winners is accountability. It's great to have, I see people who have walking buddies and workout buddies, but if all you do is talk and socialize, then you're not holding up your end of the bargain to yourself or your buddy, are you? If you're going to have a workout partner, find someone who really wants to work out. In addition, clarify your intentions up front about what you expect to get from and contribute to your new relationship. I can't stress that enough. Clarify your intentions, and that is best in anything, to always clarify your intentions, especially when you're in a new relationship, right? Most importantly, hold yourself and your partner accountable. If your partner starts to slack off, gently remind her what your original intentions were in coming together. Also, ask her to do the same with you, right? Hold each other accountable. Now, here's another very important one that I've always lived by, and I encourage my clients to do the same thing, so you should do the same thing. I have always surrounded myself with successful people. All the people I hang out with are very successful people in different areas. We're all successful people in different areas. I help them to get better in areas where I am stronger. Healthy lifestyle, healthy living. I'm usually one of the strongest in that area among the people I hang out with. And I hang out with people who, they're stronger in other areas. Maybe they know things I'm trying to learn, or they're very financially successful, so they help to push me in that direction and guide me in that direction. Yeah, I don't hang out with poor people because that gives you a poor person mentality. You want to hang out with people who are more successful than you, people who have a drive to succeed. And a lot of people I hang out with, they're very wealthy people, because I want to be in that mentality. I want to pick their brains and to think the way they do, because my goal is to also be financially independent. So I surround myself with people who are financially independent, and I guide them in areas where I am strong. They help them to live a healthier lifestyle, and they guide me in areas where they're strong. Some of the investments I've made were from the people I'm around, looking at what they do and their recommendations. So those are the kind of things that you have to think about. So in terms of developing a healthy lifestyle, don't go out to eat regular with people who don't have the self-discipline to make healthy food choices. Well, as a matter of fact, just don't go out to eat regularly at all. Most of your meals should be at home. But the point is, hang out with people who have already achieved, that level of fitness and healthy eating lifestyle that you are seeking to develop. Watch how effortless it is for them to practice healthy habits. Mirror what they do. Remember, if you do something repeatedly, it becomes a habit, which it becomes second nature, right? So you want to model healthy habits so that it becomes second nature to you. It's second nature for me because I've been practicing it for so long. It's second nature to the people that you want to be hanging out with because they've been practicing it for a while too. So if you repeat something over and over, if you practice something repeatedly, it becomes a habit, it becomes second nature. So all these things are important. I know quite a few people at the gym who have workout buddies, but the problem is when they leave the gym, they encourage each other to go out and eat crap. That's not the kind of person you need to be hanging around, right? So choose differently. Another good thing I would recommend, that I recommend to my clients, is if you don't have someone who, you can have as a mentor, adopt somebody. It could be anybody. I have adopted a lot of mentors, unofficial mentors in different areas. Mentors on the tennis court. I have adopted mentors when I was pursuing professional dancing. I was doing Latin dancing. I had lots of mentors. I've got business mentors, success mentors, personal development mentors. So just adopt somebody, right? If you don't know anybody with the habits and lifestyle you would like to mirror, just find somebody. Look around the gym if you go to the gym, or find someone who inspire you. If they inspire you, if you don't go to the gym, or just get out of the house and go where people are. Go outdoors in the park, the beach, the stairs, people out jogging on trails, yoga classes, dance classes, martial arts classes, right? Get in the habit of talking to people, folks. Here's a good thing to do. Just compliment somebody on how they look. Wow, you look great. I can tell you really work hard. Or what they wear, how hard they're working. Ask them about themselves. Hello. People love talking about themselves, right? And just get in the habit of shutting your mouth and listen. Listen, right? Use your ears instead of your mouth. It's amazing how much you can learn about people with a quick 30-second conversation. So you can easily tell if this is the kind of person who you want to emulate or not. Not everybody's going to be the kind of people you want to emulate, right? But talk to people, compliment them. People love to hear how hard they're working. They love to see that someone else appreciates them. It gives a boost to their self-esteem. You see around the gym, people are there for a reason. They're for different reasons. Some people are there to train hard, and some people are there just to look cute. So find the people who are there working on themselves, because that's what you want to do. And you see, by talking to people, you will quickly discover whom you would like to emulate, right? I just said that before. You don't want to talk their ears off, so just learn to communicate. You just want to share with them that you admire their commitment to a fitness lifestyle, and if it's okay, you would like to pick their brains from time to time. That's all. Most people would be flattered that you think so highly of them. So it helps to validate them. It's good for their self-esteem. It gives them a boost in the old self-esteem department. So very important. Again, look around. Talk to people. Adopt a mentor if you don't have one. Get a workout buddy, a walking buddy, someone to keep you accountable, and someone for you to help be more accountable, right? Surround yourself with winners. If you're going to achieve your goals, learn to surround yourself with winners in the area of fitness and healthy living, and in the area of just life in general, in the area of business, in the area of whatever it is that you're trying to learn, in whichever area that you are most lacking. Find someone to emulate, and you will achieve a greater level of success in that area. Okay, that is all I've got for you today. So it's time to say goodbye. And as usual, may the best of your todays be the worst of your tomorrows. Oh, by the way, folks, just want to throw out there that, I've got my webinar going, Get Your Sexy Back, and I've decided to start a small weight loss group for women, so I've got that going as well. You can just watch the webinar, then reach out to me for a free health strategy call if you want to learn more about it, or if you know others who need to know about it, pass on the information, because I've got some very excited people I'm working with, and usually I do private coaching, and I decided to do a small group to make it more affordable to work with more people, or to make it more affordable for more people to work with me. That is, okay? So, all right, that's all I've got. Catch you next time. Take it easy. You've been listening to Energize Your Life After 50 with me, your host, Dr. Del Millers. For all the resources mentioned in this episode, you can check the show notes or go to my website at personalfitness.com. There you can sign up for the free masterclass, the webinar, free webinar, a free health strategy call, and have access to my vault of coaching videos, all for free. So check out the website at personalfitness.com. See you next time.